After having weeks of snow, ice, and sub-zero temperatures, it wouldn't be until the end of the month before we start seeing slightly warmer temps, good enough for spending another day trackside. Today we're roughly 15 miles southeast of Macomb, Illinois at the small village of Table Grove. The trackage that runs through here is part of BNSF's Beardstown subdivision, a main line that connects Metropolis, Illinois to BNSF's Brooksfield subdivision near Bushnell. Previous radio chatter had indicated a southbound manifest was on its way towards us, and at approximately 9 a.m., our train comes cruising through. Today's manifest has a wide variety of freight, from hazmat materials like potassium hydroxide and hydrofluoric acid solutions to the other more common materials like steel and wood. With our train having disappeared into the curve, we'd continue our journey further north until we arrive at a spot just south of Bushnell, Illinois. Looking north along the BNSF Brooksfield subdivision, we can see where BNSF's Beardstown subdivision joins up and terminates. Right now, southbound Amtrak number 318, the Carl Sandburg bound for Quincy, Illinois, is approaching our location. With the Amtrak having passed us, we head into Bushnell just in time to see a northbound grain load rolling off the Beardstown subdivision. BNSF Railway numbers 6739 and 8065 are leading the charge. And Faramex 4044 brings up the rear. It's around 1:53 now at TZPR's Wesley East control point as another grain load slowly approaches our location. This is BNSF GPEI SMR, an ADM gluten feed train bound for Summerfield, Texas. Today, a trio of BNSF locomotives are on the point. These trains actually originate in Decatur, Illinois, where they are loaded, then shipped via Canadian National all the way up to Pekin for BNSF then to handle. And the last train we'll see is the Industry 2 job rolling back into the TZPR yard after having worked a couple of industries along the Pekin Riverfront. TZPR 1351 is on the point today. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you like what you see, go ahead and hit that like button, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Your support and feedback always helps me make more of the content you want to see on this channel. Hey, thanks for watching. As always, this is where the Iron Wheels roll, at Iron Wheel Productions.